Today on the Dirty Shop, we're going to make this ugly strong tie. It does its job really well, but it's not very pretty. Painted it black, and we're going to put these sweet decorative metal pieces on top of them, and I have to make these pieces. I tried to put the engraving on that, but these are manufactured like with a stamp or something, and so they're pretty darn bent, and I wasn't able to get this onto there without a lot of difficulty because it just vibrates like crazy and it's not flat. So we cut them on these plates, and we're going to put these plates on here, and it's going to look pretty sweet. I'll show you what I did. When I do these sorts of things, I program manually on my VMX24 here. It's a Herco machine, and I basically use the conversational control for everything. I don't have the expensive computer software that you have to rent. It just drives me crazy. You have to rent that software now. It's expensive to start with. You can't even buy this stuff. Either way, there's my complaint. But you can see here I plotted out my mountain ranges here in different passes. And the way I got this is I took this and I did basically a one-to-one drawing on this piece of paper. I drew the mountain where I wanted it, and I used these corner points that I droned to as the ends of my lines, and then I put the radiuses in to match. So I just used the board here to estimate where my line should be, and then put it on here. If I had some cool computer software that would do this for me, it'd be great, and I could do more complex stuff. But as it is, it's pretty cool, and it turns out pretty neat. So I'll show you how it runs now. So the first thing I did for these, and it's kind of boring, so I didn't bother videoing it, but I cut a couple of plates. They're 5 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick, and I painted them a nice flat black. And these are now going to get on the mill here, and we're going to cut out the cool mountain pattern. The interesting thing about these is they have a little bit of a curve to them, so it's curved slightly to this direction in the center there. So I'm putting the curve up, and we're actually getting a nice profile because it's shallower on the edges and then deeper in the centers. So it kind of a cool, I don't know. Sometimes things just work out. So we're going to get to cutting these things. I'll show you when they're done. There it is, man. Nice machine. Give this a nice spray coat of clear spray paint so that this does not rust. This is regular steel, and I painted them first so that the flat black, so that I could mill through the black layer. And now I'm going to just paint them over with a clear spray paint, and they should last a long time in this cool, shiny mountain state. And you know what? Even if they rusted, I think they'd be pretty sweet looking then too. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on The Dirty Shop.